This is how to factor polynomial expressions using the square root of trinomial method.
First thing is to square the first term. Then, you square the second term. After that, you square the third term. Then, you multiply the a and b variable and multiply it by 2. After that, you multiply b and c variable and multiply it by 2. Last is to multiply the a and
Here are some examples on polynomial expressions that include square root of trinomial.
pause the video and try to answer the example.
Number 1, you will have to square 2x, which will be equal to 4x squared. Then you will have to do that for all the things also. So 3y will be 9y squared, 7 will be 49. Then for the second part, we'll have to multiply 2x by 3y by 2. It will be equal to 12xy. Then for 2x times 7 times 2, it will be equal to 28. And for 3y times 7 times 2 is 22. Once you combine those terms, it will be equal to 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 49 plus 12xy plus 28x plus 21y. And that's how you get number 1. Number 2 might be a bit tricky, knowing that there are fractions that are given. 1 over 9z multiplied to itself is 1 over 81z squared. Then negative 1 over 3k multiplied to itself is 1 over 9k squared. 10 squared is equal to 100. Then if you will multiply 1 over 9 times negative 1 over 3 times 2, it will be equal to negative 2 over 27 zk. Once you multiply 1 over 9 times 10 times 2 is equal to 20 over 9z. Then if you multiply negative 1 over 3k times 10 times 2 is equal to 20 over 3. Combine all of those terms and arrange them, it will be equal to 1 over 81z squared plus 1 over 9k squared plus 100 plus negative 2 over 27zk plus 20 over 9z minus 20 over 3. And that's how you get number 2. Number 3 might be a bit harder, knowing that there is a square root. The square root of 25 is equal to 5. So if you will have to multiply that together with a, it will be 5a. But you will have to square it first since that is step 1. So it will be back to 25a squared. Then if you have to square negative 3 over 4b, that is 9 over 16b squared. Then 30 squared is 90. Then you will have to multiply the square root of 25a, which is 5a, multiplied by negative 3 over 4b, multiplied by 2, you will get negative 15 over 2ab. Once you do that, you will have to multiply the square root of 25a to 30 times 2. This will be equal to 300a. Once you do that, you will have to multiply negative 3 over 4b times 30 times 2, and it will be equal to negative 135 over 2. And that's how you get number 3. Thank you for watching Group 6's video on how to factor with the square of a trinomial.